Jai Swaminarayan students, today we are starting with the new chapter, that is algebraic expression. In that algebraic expression, first we have to know what is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means it has a variable. Algebraic expression means it has a variables. Variables means, already we know, variables means alphabet. Variables means alphabet, and it has a coefficient. Understood? Algebraic expression means they are having two things, that is variables, coefficients. Variables के साथ जो number आता है, that we are calling it as coefficients. Understood? And it also contains constant. Constant means only number will be there. Constant means only numbers will be there. Understood? So algebraic expression means they are having a variables, coefficients. Variable and coefficients will come together. Understood? And they have constant in there. That we are calling it as algebraic expression. For example, if 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5 is there, in this 2 is the coefficient and this will be the variable and this one will be the constant. This one will be the constant, and this variable and the constant together we are calling it as term. Understood? Together we are calling it as terms. Together we are calling that variable and this variable and coefficient together उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Terms बोलते हैं. In short, terms has two parts. Terms के अंदर two parts आता है. What are the? One is coefficient. Another one is variables. Understood? Confusing is it? No. Understood? Clear this much? Variables मतलब alphabets. When you are clear with that, then it will be easy. Understood? Variables means alphabet. Alphabets and coefficient means number. Coefficient means number. And constant means it will come alone. The number which comes alone, then we are calling it as constant. Understood? And now what we are going to do, we are going to find what is monomial and what is binomial and trinomial. Monomial means only one term will be there. Monomial means how many terms will be there? Only one term. For example, minus 7x, 6, 8, 7, these are monomials. Understood? Binomials means two terms will be there. For binomial, bi means two. Binomial means two terms will be there. For example, this one is a binomial. So why? Two terms are there. 2x plus 5 is a binomial because first term, second term. That we are calling it as binomial. Okay. From the trinomial you understood. You can guess what will come. If the term contains 3x square, three terms are there, then we are calling it as trinomial. Understood? Normally we are saying that after 2 के बाद जो trinomial आता है, that we are started calling it as polynomial only. More than one, if what you will say terms are there, then we are starting calling it as polynomial. Polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial is the algebraic expression which has more than one term. Then we are calling it as polynomial. Understood? Now we are going to see about like terms and unlike terms. Like term and unlike term. When the variables are same, when the variable and degree are same, then we are calling the term as like term. For example, if 3x square is there, 99x. Is it like term? No. Their degree also matters. Degree means what? The power of the variable, which is the highest power of the variable in an equation, that we are calling it as degree. For example, if the equation is 7x square plus 8xy plus y square, which is the degree of this equation? 2. If there is no square, nothing is there, their degree will be 1. Understood? Okay. What is the degree of this one?
1.
This 0. Degree of the constant is 0. Why? Because degree is always compared with the variable. Variable का जो degree रहता है that we are taking. If variable itself not there, their degree will be 0. Understood? Now like terms means in like terms that variable should be also same and degree also should be same. In unlike terms we all know that it will come the 3x square, 9y. These are unlike terms. Different variables and different degrees will be there. Even 3x square and 3x is a unlike term. Here mostly what you are doing, you are forgetting about the squares. By seeing this, what you will write? These two are like terms. That is wrong. Understood, students? Now let's learn about the product of monomials and binomials. Okay? Let's start with the product. Product means we already know multiplication. Product of monomial and monomial. When you are multiplying two monomials, what answer we are getting? We are getting the answer also in monomial. For example, 5x square is a monomial into 6y square we are multiplying. This is also monomial. This is also monomial. Here later on you should not get confused. Teacher monomial कैसा होगा? इधर एक number है, इधर variable है, ऐसे कभी confuse मत होना. Understood? This all will come in one term. This all will come in one term. So when you multiply two monomials, what will be the answer? 5 6 are 30. 30x square y square. Same like that, 3y square into 9y cube is equal to 9 3s are 27. Y to the power of 5. Because power we are adding, right?
Yes.
Right? So when you are multiplying, exponential chapter you have learned, right? When the base is same, you are adding the power. Yes or not, Disha? Yes, somewhere blank I can see. So you will be adding like this. 3 plus 2 is equal to 27 plus y to the power of 5. Understood? So what happens when you are multiplying two monomials? The answer will also be in monomial. When you are multiplying two monomial, the answer will be also in monomial. And next, when you are multiplying monomial with binomial, for example, 2a into x square plus 7y square. So here what will happen? This is monomial.
Yes.
First one is monomial and this one is binomial. So when you are multiplying monomial with the binomial, what happens? 2a into x square plus 2a into y square. So what will be the answer? 2ax square plus 2ay square. Matlab when you are multiplying monomial with binomial, the answer will be binomial. Understood? When you are multiplying monomial with binomial, the answer will be binomial. 1, 2. Two terms are there, binomial. And here we are done distribution property. Distribution property means जब multiplication रहता है तो it is common for this also, it is common for this also. Understood? Distribution property, everything you recollected when you are bringing this chapter. Exponential, everything you have to bring in this. Understood? Now this is binomial. That means when you are multiplying monomial with binomial, you will get binomial. Understood? And when you are multiplying binomial and binomial, it goes in polynomial. Understood? The terms will increase. Understood, students? Now let's start with the exercise 9.1. Okay, in the next class.